She's been living in the unit underneath me for 21 years and has been there since 1975. Gonna take the Sash weights to my old house and put them in a circle in the backyard. This winter I'm gonna plant an Italian pine in the center and let it take root while the rain pours down on it hard. This week gonna fly to New York and play Sarah Lawrence College. Gonna dust my nylon string guitar off and play a various selection of songs on it. And something I say will likely be viewed as offensive and cause a student to be alarmed. Or if a college girl is nice to me and I speak to her, it might be misconstrued and I won't be pardoned. Will a nearby voyeuristic blogger read purposefully too deeply into it? Go home, report it on cyber, and tug on his dick and wait for hits. Now let's cut some vague rock lyrics, please, 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 please. La-di-da-di-da-di, la-di-da-di-da-di, la-di-da-di, la-di-da-di, la-di-da-di-da-di-dee. I love you all, 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 I love you all. And I love you too, ghost girl in the elevator, hearing voices in the hall. Bon Jovi's seen a million faces and he's rocked them all. Those are his words, but I omitted one, the other two I installed. You're not quite a million faces, but I love you all, I love you all, I love you all, I love you all. Though we are imperfect and we are human, and yes, we are all flawed. But I see your face and love you all, love you all.